শারদীয়ার প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আজকে ব্লগটি শুরু করতে চলেছি। হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। দিস ইজ মি তৃষা এন্ড ইউ আর ওয়াচিং তৃষাস লাইফস্টাইল। So today's vlog is going to be kind of a fun one because today I am going to color my hair. So the color which I bought is this one. This is Trix Cinnamon Red. So I'm thinking of coloring my hair. Actually, my hair has grown quite long. Wait. So I am thinking of coloring it before I chop it off. And later in the day, me and my mom are thinking of baking a cake today. So if we do that, we will definitely show you. I don't know if this one is the best or the worst color available in the market, but I used it once before. Of course, I'm not gonna bleach my hair, so the color will be very light on black hair, like no color really shows. So I am actually fine with that. I want very little, just a reddish tint to the hair. That's what I want. It comes with the enriched walnut plus this is the colorant cream. Next one is this developer. It comes with conditioner and gloves. Great. So this pack costed 60 rupees. Let's start with the coloring. Also, some instructions have been given over here. I'm gonna follow these instructions only. Okay, so I have become the chashmish which I am, and now let's start. So I'm gonna develop the color right now. It says mix the colorant and the developer in a ratio of 1:1 in a non-metallic bowl. So I have taken this spoon, then I will mix the developer and the colorant. I prepared the color as you saw. So this is how it looks right now. It has become like a purple. Let's start. So now what we're going to do is wear the glove. So what I am going to do is now I am going to divide my hair into half. Okay, so I'm not going to use any brush or anything. I'm going to do it with my hands and this glove. Okay, so let's start the coloring. Oh. It's already a mess. Like for the longest time I have wanted to color my hair blue, but for doing your color blue you have to bleach your hair. Okay, so I have seen many YouTube videos, and the one thing that I have noticed that you can color your hair in your home, but you can't really bleach your hair. I have seen bleach their hair at home. All of them have messed it up like really bad. They have messed it up real bad. Okay, so I gave up the idea of bleaching my hair, and now I am all set with this reddish color. One tip that I would give you is do not bleach your hair in your home. That will be a mess, because you know bleaching is not that easy. It is better done by professional than done at home. So yeah, one side is done. I will do the other side now. I have to let this hair dry for like 30 minutes, and then I guess this will have its color. Whichever length you want to do, just do a little bit like this so that it gives ombre kind of effect, I guess. I'll see you after 30 minutes. Okay, so apologizing for the background noises. Yeah, it's almost 30 to 35 minutes now, and this is the condition of the hair. And now I'm going to go downstairs and wash my hair, and I'll see you after that. Okay, so hi everyone, I am back after my shower. You can't see any changes right now, but let it dry for now, and then I will show you the final results. Hi everyone, so currently it's 6:41 right now and I just finished my tea. So in the morning I told you all that I'm going to bake a cake today, but I think there has been a slight change of plans. We are going to do tandoori chicken instead. So we are making tandoori chicken at home. That's because of two reasons. Number one, we have had a recent purchase, that is a microwave. The second one is Durga Puja is starting like from tomorrow. We cannot eat anything non-veg. I have to, like, the whole family have to eat everything veg until till Ashtami in the morning. We haven't like used the microwave till now and we haven't cooked anything. So this is going to be the first thing we are going to cook, and also we have literally zero experience in using it and everything is super new to us. So I hope it turns out well. So I will take you along with me. Let's go. The chicken was already prepared from beforehand. My mom followed some recipe from YouTube to prepare this, and then we took the grill and we butter coated it. And yeah, this was the first batch of chicken which was supposed to go inside the oven, and here you go. No. Oh. Guys, look at our fail attempt. We overcooked it. We've overcooked it. This was our first microwave experience. The batch number 2. The second attempt. While a second batch of chicken was ready to go inside the oven and being cooked, what I did was I chopped some cucumber, onions and lemons, and this is me chopping all of them. Like, isn't this footage so satisfying to watch in fast forward motion? Like, I love this. Okay, so the tandoori is ready. Second time was perfect, and that's the first batch. See the difference? It's perfect, I think. Okay, so after a failed attempt, now it is ready. Here it is. So we will enjoy it and I'll let you know how it tastes. As I told you, we ended up baking the cake as well. So this is me coating the container with butter, and we prepared the two batter from beforehand. One was chocolate and another was vanilla. We wanted to prepare a marble sort of cake, so we were putting one after another to create that thing. And yeah, we had to preheat the oven and then we put the cake inside it. And hello everyone. Okay, so the eating process is done. We ate it, and the second time which we made was perfect, like almost perfect. We had to do mistake, otherwise we couldn't have learned it only. So now that we have learned, we're gonna eat more often. I was thinking of ending the vlog over here, but I am not. So I am going to continue the vlog tomorrow as well. So I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, bye.